So I've got the JBL Tour Pro 3s, and I'll be showing you how to use the Silent Now feature. So the Silent Now feature is found at the bottom of the app. So if you go to the JBL headphones app and scroll all the way to the bottom, you should see Silent Now. Now, if you tap on that, it's going to open this page. Now, this is basically used when you're preparing to take a nap or just going to sleep, or you're traveling and you want to sleep on a bus or on a train or in a plane. This is what you set up. Okay, so basically it's going to play music for a certain period of time, and then it's going to stop the music and start playing some sound that will enhance your sleep and make you sleep better. All right, so let's continue. So basically you want to set when it starts and for how long it's going to go. So maybe you want to take a 4-hour nap, you can set that. And also if you want an alarm at the end of that 4-hour nap, you can set it up. Okay, so now I'll choose mine, for example, to start in 30 minutes. Then I'll tap on set, and then I want a 3-hour nap, like that. And then, do I want my alarm ringing or not? If I don't, if I don't want it, then I'll disable the alarm. But if I want my alarm to go off, I'll turn it on, and then I can tap on start. Okay, so now I can just put the earbuds in my ears, listen to whatever I'm listening to, and then after 30 minutes, it's gonna go into this silent now mode, where it's gonna play some sounds to enhance my sleep. So basically, it's a napping or a sleeping uh, feature, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.